Hi, I have a Zanussi Lindo 300 dryer, 2 years old, start button flashing red when I try to start it, some of the time and other times it works fine. Currently not reliable and I assume it will soon go altogether, thanks Kieran.
Just to clarify, what's the make and model of the appliance? And has it done this before?
Zanussi 8 kg double XL Lindo 300. It started doing this about a month ago and half the time it's fine and the other half it just flashes red and won't work.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
If not too much of a problem.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
No, I just want to know what the red flashing light on the starter button means and why is it intermittent.
Hi, sorry for the delay in getting to your question. Do you still need help on this? If so, then can you post the model number please? Regards.
Hi, the model number is thanks. Hi, sorry, is there an additional cost of €24? I have already paid €15 and from memory the last time I used this service, there was one initial cost and that was it. To call out an engineer to fix the problem I was told would cost €60 to €70. Regards.
Okay, as to the additional €24, I think that's for the phone request they have offered you. Just ignore that as we can just carry on with the online chat. As to the fault when you press the start button, does it feel like it's pressing against the control board as you should feel like a click? If you don't, then it's possibly the push button frame that's wearing out. To check this, you need to remove the front control panel and remove the control board. There you can see the push button frame. Check to see if the frame has broken. If so, then the push button frame will need to be replaced. But if the frame is fine and it's intermittent if it starts, then I'm afraid it's looking like the control board itself could be the fault and will need to be replaced.
Sorry, away from home, I will get back tonight when I check that out, thanks.
No worries, that's fine.
Hi, there is a click sound when I press the start button and it is intermittent, works sometimes and not others. If the control board itself is gone, is that something that I will need an engineer to supply and fit? To remove control panel, do I just remove the 3 screws to the left-hand side hidden behind the water container front panel? Thanks. I removed the screws but the panel still won't move. Don't want to put too much pressure as I might break it. What am I missing? Thanks.
To remove the front panel, you need to remove the top panel, and then on the top there you will see a few screws holding the panel on. Remove these, and then with the 3 screws behind the drawer removed, you can then remove the front control panel, as once the screws are out you can unclip it from there. As to the control board, this can be fitted by yourself if you are handy at DIY. Just make sure you get the programmed version, then it's just a straightforward swap over.
Hi, sorry about this again, but the entire front of the machine is one continuous piece except for the water container front panel, the panel which I am trying to remove, and the filter at the bottom. This continuous piece then meets the top of the machine, but there is no other top panel apart from the top of the machine itself. There are only 2 visible screws keeping the top on, at the rear, but after unscrewing, makes no difference. Again, as I am not familiar with what's underneath, I do not want to force anything or I may end up breaking something. I can get a screwdriver down between the top of the machine and the front continuous piece that houses the panels mentioned above, but again doesn't seem to want to budge and I am afraid I will break something. Any suggestions? Thanks.
Sorry, my fault, I was thinking of another model. I've uploaded the service manual for you on this. Click the link below and then go to page 16 and it shows you how to remove the console panel from there.
Hi, that's great and seems straightforward enough. Would you know where the best place to source the control board online might be and any reference or product code to order the correct one? Thanks.
Click here for the website for Zanussi. These are the best place to get spares from.
Hi, it took me a while to get around to ordering and being able to get the required interface board from Zanussi and I fitted it a couple of weeks ago. Either the problem was solved but it is back doing what it was always doing but now also seems to cut out in the middle of a cycle and the button starts to flash red. It may have been doing this all the time but I don't think so. The switch mechanism itself seems fine when I removed the front panel so the in-face board would appear to have been the most likely fault but as I have said the problem is still there and the machine is totally unreliable as it is. Any suggestions? Thanks, Kieran.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.